GIMP 3.0 is the latest version of the popular open-source graphics and photo editing software. After over 7 years of development, it marks a generational leap over GIMP 2, with a modern interface, improved performance, and advanced professional tools. Key benefits of GIMP 3.0: non-destructive editing. Apply filters without altering the original image. Modern GTK3 interface, elegant, responsive, and HiDPI-compatible. Layer control, support for multiple selections and transformations. Color management, advanced AdobeRGB support and soft proofing. Extensive format support, includes PSD, JPEG, PNG, DDS BC7, JPEG XL, QOI, and multilayer TIFF. Typography tools, shadows, outlines, emboss, and dynamic text editing. Developer-friendly, full Python 3 support, and extensive API for creating plugins. Why choose GIMP 3? It's faster, more stable, and optimized for modern systems, offering a professional workflow comparable to Photoshop. It's completely free, perfect for photographers, graphic designers, illustrators, and creatives looking for a powerful editor without subscription fees.